It's finished! So let's get printing. Alright, so here are the final prints. First, the attack ring. It was printed at 0.05mm layer height with green BQPLA and later spray painted black. After that, I made some stickers and glued them in place. Next, the 8 heavyweight disc. This was printed at 0.2mm layer height using silver smart fill PLA. The blade base and spin gear were printed and sprayed just like the attack ring, but at 0.1 because there wasn't as much detail. Now for the most interesting part, the triple change tips. There's a sharp tip for stamina, a semi-flat for balance, and a flat for attack. Printed at 0.05 with Ruby Smart Fill PLA, they fit just perfectly into the blade base. Now this looks pretty cool. Here's another one printed with Sapphire Smart Fill PLA for testing. Why? You'll understand very soon. Now for the actual testing. I will be using an 8 balance, since I don't have a real 8 heavy, and PLA doesn't have the same weight. Well, that was to be expected. Since this AR design is very prone to breaking, let's do some quick improvements in ZBrush. Here's the improved attack ring, printed at 0.05 with black do-wire PETG. Now, the layer adhesion isn't as good as PLA, so if we have any problems, it's probably going to be because of that. The assembled bay is now ready for testing.